Hello, so my name's Lee, I'm from West Cork, and we got in touch with Signal Hero because we had an issue with this guy over here. Basically we couldn't get any signal whatsoever to be able to avail of solar. Now basically what was happening was we couldn't get this to work at all. We were getting no signal. Well, we were getting 0 to 1 bar. So we couldn't get any remuneration for the solar system. We got in touch with Signal Hero and they gave us our options of what we could avail of, and we got this fitted. And basically this is sat right underneath this, and it's gone from 0 to 1 to 4 bar from just this here. It's really simple to do, did it myself. The only thing I had to get done was a spark to wire the socket to power it. But yeah, since we had it fitted, we've been able to avail of smart tariff, and hopefully I'll go forward remuneration from solar. Cheers.